Hey, good people. It is about 5:30 in the evening, and I'm sitting here working on adding people to my email list. Just a little snapshot. I can't like show you everybody, but they're coming to my workshop next week. I have landed safely in Atlanta. So I'm doing that actually this week. I'm on a talk fast. I'm only and it doesn't mean I'm not talking. It means I have restricted the people I'm talking to because I need to get clear, I need to get centered. But this is the life of the entrepreneur. Got my book, my journal, my computer for reflections, got my people that I'm adding to the list. But that's what we're doing this evening. What else did I do today? Had a meeting with my coach, our group mentorship call. Also had an afterglow event from an event I attended 3 weeks ago. She was teaching us sales techniques, and now I'm about to make some dinner for the boo. So, well, for me and the boo. So that's what we're doing. I'm recording a little thing for I do a reality series, so this is just behind the scenes.
Excellent. Wow. That's really great. We are talking.
Hey, I am totally loving my new life. Like, look at my neighborhood. I get to go for a walk in the afternoon. just just loving it. This community is so beautiful. Look at it. Just loving it. I deserve this, and you deserve it too. Get the peace, the love, the happiness you deserve. Yes, isn't it beautiful out here? First, I would see a lucky black cat on my walk. I love cats. They're just so mystical.